everybody, I'm Chris Phillip with the Dream Giveaway Garage, and I'm so excited today to be here with you because we're going to take a walk around on this legendary 1964 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. You're going to dig all of the cool high performance features from 1964 that this Corvette has. And here's the great news. You can win this classic Corvette in the Classic Corvette Dream Giveaway. Use the promo code that you see with this video. You're going to get bonus tickets. We're going to take a look at the engine, the manual stick shift, and some other cool features you might not know that came on mid-year Corvettes. Come along with me. This grand prize 1964 Corvette convertible has won multiple national awards, including the NCRS Zora Arkus Duntov Mark of Excellence Award, and has been judged by the NCRS numerous times. Look underneath the hood and you'll see what all that detail is. It looks like a brand new Corvette in 1964. But wait, where's the carburetor? Remember I told you this is a Fuelie car. And yes, Chevrolet had fuel injection. In fact, fuel injection on General Motors vehicles goes back to 1957, I believe. So on top of the 327 cubic inch Chevy small block, they call it a Gen 1, you have a mechanical fuel injection system. Back in the day, it was very popular to remove these systems and to put a 4-barrel carburetor on. But this one survived with its factory intake. Looks fantastic, starts right up, and this is the precursor to the modern fuel injection that all of us enjoy today in our vehicles. Let's talk about that 327 engine now. Highest horsepower of 1964, 365 horsepower. That was it. Top of the line. Big block? Big block didn't come around for another year. The big block was introduced mid-1965. So if you wanted the King of the Hill Corvette in 1964, this is what you got. Let me also tell you this. This Corvette convertible was sold new in sunny and beautiful Southern California. Can you imagine it? Back in 1964, cruising Hollywood Boulevard or the Sunset Strip. Now you can make your own memories with this fantastic Corvette convertible. Be sure to get your entries to win today. Well, let's walk around this beautiful tuxedo black Corvette now. Of course, big shout out on the fender here as to what's underneath the hood. Fuel injection proudly stated there with its red, white, and blue. Looks great against that factory style tuxedo black paint. Down here on the wheels, we've got knockoff wheels. You remember why they call them knockoff, right? You had to take a rubber mallet and pound on them so that these caps would come off. Actually, it'd go this way. And that's how you got the wheel off. Remember, this is a convertible and it comes with an auxiliary matching color hardtop. How do you get that convertible top open? We come on all the way over here. Here, just kind of on the passenger side. And there you go. Top color, beautiful white top. So let me put this down and let's talk about the color combination a little bit. Tuxedo black with a white convertible top with a silver interior. Super, super rare car. No doubt in my mind that this was a special ordered car back in 1964. And remember, you can put it in your garage when you help out charities today. Let's take a close-up look of that silver interior, and I'll show you the gauges, the steering wheel, and of course, the 4-speed. If you're looking at this cabin and thinking, this looks like a cockpit, well, you're absolutely correct. And the reason is the Chevrolet designers purposefully looked at airplane styles back in the late 50s and the early 60s and how the instrumentation was laid out in those airplanes, and they used that style for the Corvette Stingray. Well, let's look at the gauges. 160 miles an hour on the speedometer, 7,000 RPM tach, though Chevrolet recommends you stop revving at about 6,500. And the odometer on here, and this is very common on frame-off restorations, has been reset. So it appears there are 506 miles since the frame-off restoration on this beautiful mid-year Corvette. What else would you like to see on the inside? I better not forget this. 4-speed manual with the chrome knob. Remember the day when there were ashtrays in cars? And a vertical FM radio right here. That makes it kind of neat. Electric clock, of course, is still working there. And of course, there is no air conditioning on this 1964 Corvette Fuelie, but you do have a heater control and you can adjust the air flow. What a wonderful car for you to win. And imagine yourself sitting on these beautiful silver seats, the teak, the walnut wheel right here in front of you, ready to fire it up and go enjoy your time in this 1964 classic Corvette Fuelie convertible that you can win from Dream Giveaway. Well, I've spent my time in here. Now it's your turn to get that winning ticket. Get those entries, and I hope you're the big winner. I'll tell you guys, it doesn't get any better than this NCRS 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Fuelie convertible. Remember, one lucky person is going to win this car. You're already a winner when you help out our 8 great charities. And if you have that lucky ticket, we're going to fly you into the Dream Giveaway garage here in sunny and beautiful Florida. We're going to hand you the keys. We're going to sign over the title, and this beautiful Corvette is going to be all yours. So remember, you got to be in it to win it. Use that promo code that you see on this screen and get your entries today. Be sure to enter before the sweepstakes ending date. We'll see you next time with more great fun, more great action, and more great grand prizes like this 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Fuelie convertible. It only happens here in the Dream Giveaway garage for dreamgiveaway.com. See you next time.